Hi there. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the animate directive. And I hadn't done a video on this before because I didn't really understand what it does. But basically what it does is that whenever a list gets reordered, it's going to animate them and make them like fly into their new position. So let me show you what I mean. It's super simple. So all we have to do is import flip, which stands for first, last, invert, play. I don't know why. I don't know what that is, but look it up, leave it in the comments. And we're going to take this here and say animate, flip. And then finally, we need to have it be an immediate child of a key at each block. So to get our key, we do a space and we put it in parentheses the key, which is just number. Okay, and now when I shuffle, they're going to fly into their new position. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So what is this key here doing? Basically, this is a unique value so that each block can keep track of each different value in here. So for example, if I did 1, I can't do that. Why? Well, because I already have a 1, so this is no longer unique. So if you want to have two 1s, like this for example, we'd have to do something like map number goes to this object, which number goes to number. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So these are objects where number goes to whatever the number is. So here we can now say something like number object, and we can put our number object as the key. So even though these two will be both an object with number 1, they're actually different objects, and so this key will work. So now I just need to say number object dot number, and now we can have both of our 1s in there like that. Cool, so last thing I'm going to do, which has nothing to do with animate, just for fun, I'm going to import a fly from svelte/transition, and then I'm just going to say out fly equals x negative 500 and duration 5,000. And I'm going to add another function and another button here, which is remove. And we're just going to remove the first element of the list. So here we have our function remove, and it's going to be numbers dot slice 1. Okay, so now we remove, and bye-bye, goodbye, goodbye. So we got this cool little animation where the last or the first in the list leaves and the rest move right into place like that, and I can still shuffle it just like that too. Okay, that's all for this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Oh, there's some styles here I forgot to show you at the beginning, but not too important. Okay, please like and subscribe and let me know what you think. Bye.